Welcome to a morning movement reset. Let's begin circling our arms, tapping your foot across your body. I invite you to really connect your breath to the movements today. Calm our nervous system while we continue to build and create balance, mobility, and strength. So you breathe in to one side, out to the other. Head up high. You modify every movement to suit your needs and just follow along for the next 10 minutes or so. Okay, let's reverse circle and step back. You could even come onto the top of your foot, press down, increase ankle mobility. You just find a movement that suits you right now as we move with the horses in the background. Hopefully they'll get curious and want to come visit us. Time will tell. Okay, now let's just simply twist. Breathe into one side, out to the other. Build this tremendous spine mobility. Healthy back, happy life. And it seems this is the gentlest of movements. Done consistently, daily, really do increase the quality of our back health. Get a little bit more dynamic into the movement. Come up off your heel. Again, breathe into one side, out to the other. One conscious breath, one big exhale can really eliminate some of that stress and anxiety, tension that maybe we're carrying with us. Okay, one more to each side. Great. We're going to squat down. Reach your arms up high, side bend twice to each side, and let's squat down again. Reach your arms way up high, bend all the way down and to the side. Come on down. Look up to the sky. One more here. Oh, yeah. Well done. Step to the side. Prayer wheel. Step back. Stand tall. Oh, breathe in when you step out. Nice big circle. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Big circle. Let it out. One more to each side. Maybe you step a little further. Reach out a little farther. Oh, wonderful. Now, squat down just a little bit. Begin to bring your knee up and just sweep your arm across your body. Just build some balance. Go slowly, really mindfully with this movement today. Breathe in, out, in, out. Almost as if you were in slow motion. Just really feel everything that's happening in your body. We're building balance and core stability. But it really is this presence, connection to our breath. It's going to make all the difference. Feel free to move around your space. If you stumble like I just did, welcome it. Smile at it. Oh. Okay, last one here. So good. Now, we're gonna bend down, step back, and reach forward. Think of getting really long here. And breathe in and out. And out. Breathe in, out. Reach those fingertips way out. Feel your spine decompressing. Look to the ground. Pick a spot. Give it laser-like attention. And connect to your breath. Maybe you start to bend down just a little bit more. Really stretch it out. Get long. One more. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Let's just build a little bit of balance here. Side to side, shift, but come up onto one foot. And again, breathe into one side, out to the other. You got it. Feel the joy in the movement. Move with wonder and awe. Wow, this body. Wow. You could close your eyes possibly, if that feels right for you. Add another dynamic to it, another sense of wonder. Last one here. Brilliant. For our last movement today, let's really use this as a time to focus, concentrate, pay attention. Maybe you want to pick one spot. We're going to bend and rise. But we're going to breathe in, exhale, bend forward, possibly touch your toes, and exhale. Then breathe in, rise up, pick that spot, laser-like attention, exhale. Breathe in, fall forward, exhale. Breathe in, pick your spot, exhale. Find a flow that works for you here, just for a moment or two. Breathe in, exhale. Touch your toes if you can. Breathe in, exhale. Breathe in, fall forward, exhale. Breathe in, exhale. One more. Breathe in, fall forward, exhale. Hold it for a moment. Really conscious, deep breath in, breathe in, rise up, hold it, pick that spot, laser-like attention. Exhale, just notice. Take all this presence, all this awareness with you for the entire day, and have a remarkable one. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Goodbye.